The body is not sick by chance. It becomes sick when waste stays inside too long. Mucus, acid, obstruction. That is the real problem. When you cleanse the gut, the body no longer needs to hold fat or toxins. Tonight, you will learn how simple oils can help restore movement, balance, and natural healing.
Most people think belly fat appears slowly, but what if I told you that what you feel overnight is not always fat, but trapped gut waste, water, and inflammation? You go to bed heavy, you wake up heavier, bloated, puffy, uncomfortable. Doctors often blame calories, but Dr. Sebi believed something deeper was happening inside the gut. He claimed that when waste sticks inside the intestines, the body holds fat and toxins as protection. Tonight, we are uncovering a simple nighttime secret. 3 powerful oils used the right way, at the right time. Not magic, not extreme, but strong enough to make you feel lighter by morning. In this video, I'll reveal which oils work, how they affect your gut while you sleep, and why millions swear by this method. Stay with me, because one wrong oil can make things worse, and one right choice can change everything overnight. Now let's go straight to the main topic. The remedy is simple. It is based on 3 oils: extra virgin olive oil, flaxseed oil, and MCT oil. These are the 3 oils often discussed in Dr. Sebi-inspired routines for gut cleansing and weight support. Each oil works in a different way, and each must be used correctly. Otherwise, results will not come, or problems may appear. First is extra virgin olive oil. This is the foundation oil. It is gentle, it is natural, it is easy for most people to digest. Olive oil helps lubricate the intestines. This makes stool softer. It supports smoother bowel movement in the morning. When waste moves out easily, the stomach feels flatter, pressure reduces, bloating goes down. Many people feel lighter within one night. This is not fat burning yet. This is removal of trapped waste and water. The correct dose is important. Take 1 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon. Take it after dinner, not on an empty stomach if you have acidity. Drink a glass of warm water after. That is enough. More is not better. Second is flaxseed oil. This oil works differently. It is not the same as whole flax seeds. Whole seeds give fiber. The oil gives lubrication. Flaxseed oil helps when stool feels dry and hard. It supports gentle movement without harsh stimulation. This is helpful for people who strain in the morning or feel incomplete bowel movements. Flaxseed oil also supports inflammation balance in the gut. This can reduce swelling and heaviness. Take 1 teaspoon only. Take it with food or just after dinner. Never heat this oil. Never cook with it. Use only cold-pressed flaxseed oil. If the smell is strong or bitter, do not use it. Third is MCT oil. This oil is different from the other 2. MCT oil does not directly flush waste. Its main role is energy and appetite control. MCT oil is absorbed quickly. It gives fast fuel. This can reduce late-night cravings. When cravings reduce, night eating reduces. When night eating reduces, belly fat accumulation slows. Over time, this supports fat loss. But MCT oil must be used carefully. Too much causes cramps. Too much causes diarrhea. Start with 1 teaspoon only. Take it with dinner. Never take it right before bed. If the body accepts it well, you may increase slowly, but never rush. Okay, so now let's talk about how these oils actually work overnight. When you sleep, your body, enters repair mode. Digestion slows down, hormones reset, and if the gut is overloaded with waste, the body tends to hold on to water. Inflammation can increase, and the stomach might push outward. Oils help by reducing friction inside the intestines, which supports smoother movement in the morning. That's why, honestly, a lot of people wake up feeling flatter, pants feel looser, the belly feels softer. But remember, this isn't instant fat melting. This is gut relief. This is, honestly, very important to understand. Oils do not burn fat while you sleep like fire or something. Fat loss only happens when calories are controlled over time. Oils help, but only indirectly. They reduce bloating, they reduce constipation, and they can even reduce night cravings. This creates the environment where fat loss can actually happen. But if you add oil but keep eating sugar at night, nothing will change. If you add oil but eat heavy fried food, again, nothing will change. So, here is the correct nighttime routine. Eat dinner at least 2 to 3 hours before you go to sleep. Try to keep the dinner light. Avoid sugar, avoid fried food, and choose just one oil. Don't mix oils together. Take the oil after dinner, drink some water, and sit upright for a little while. Then go to sleep. In the morning, walk for about 5 to 10 minutes and have a fiber-rich breakfast. That's what completes the cycle. A lot of people, ask about castor oil. Castor oil is, pretty strong. It's actually a stimulant laxative, which means it can force a bowel movement within just a few hours. But honestly, it can also cause cramps. It can lead to dehydration. And if you use it often, it might weaken your natural gut movement. That's exactly why it's not included in this daily routine. This approach is really about safety, not force. Some people, honestly, should be careful. If you're pregnant, please don't try this without medical advice. If you have severe stomach pain, bowel disease, or, gallbladder problems, do not experiment. And if you're taking a lot of medicines, be cautious. Oils can actually affect absorption. Most people, honestly, confuse gut weight with body fat. This confusion, it really creates frustration. You eat less, you try to diet, but your belly still looks swollen, heavy, tight. The reason is actually pretty simple. What you see is often not fat. It's trapped stool, excess water, gas, and inflammation inside the intestines. When this waste just sits for too long, the belly pushes outward. The scale goes up and clothes feel tighter. Oils mainly help by fixing this hidden problem. Inside the gut, food moves by muscle waves. This movement is called motility. Stress slows it, low fiber slows it, dehydration slows it, late night eating slows it. When movement slows, stool stays longer. The body pulls water from it. Stool becomes dry and hard. This creates blockage. Pressure builds. The stomach looks bigger. Oils help by reducing friction. They coat the intestinal lining lightly. This allows stool to move with less resistance. Movement becomes smoother. The next morning feels easier. This is why people feel relief quickly. Another factor is bile. When you consume a small amount of fat, the body releases bile from the liver and gallbladder. Bile helps digest fat. It also supports bowel movement timing. For some people, this bile response helps trigger a natural morning bowel movement. This is not force. This is stimulation of a normal process. That is why small doses matter. Too much oil overloads the system, then cramps happen, or loose stool appears. Inflammation plays a big role too. When the gut is irritated, it holds fluid. This causes bloating. Inflammation can come from processed food, from sugar, from alcohol, from eating late. Oils like olive oil and flaxseed oil contain compounds that support a calmer gut environment when used moderately. A calmer gut holds less water. Less water means less swelling. This alone can reduce waist size by morning in some people. Now, let's talk about the illusion of overnight fat loss. Fat does not disappear in hours. Fat cells shrink slowly. This happens only when the body uses stored energy over time. Oils do not magically burn fat while you sleep. What happens instead is reduction of gut content, reduction of water retention, and reduction of gas. The belly looks smaller and the scale drops. This feels like fat loss, but it is mostly gut clearance and water balance. This is still valuable because a lighter gut improves metabolism, it improves movement, and it improves motivation. Cravings are another hidden enemy. Many people eat late because blood sugar crashes or stress drives hunger. MCT oil plays a role here. It gives fast energy. This can reduce the urge to snack at night. When night snacking stops, daily calorie intake drops. Over days and weeks, this creates real fat loss. This is the real benefit, not overnight miracles, but sustainable change. Now, let's address common mistakes. The first mistake is taking oil on a completely empty stomach late at night. This can cause acidity, reflux, and a burning chest. Always take oil after food. The second mistake is using too much. People think more oil means faster results. This is wrong. Excess oil causes diarrhea, dehydration, and electrolyte loss. The third mistake is mixing oils together. This confuses the gut and it becomes impossible to know what works. Another mistake is, ignoring fiber. Oils help movement, but fiber gives bulk. Without fiber, stool may still be weak. Always pair this routine with vegetables, fruits, or even soaked seeds during the day. Water is also essential. Oil without water just does not work well. Dehydration, honestly, cancels the benefits. Some people feel nothing at first, and that's okay. This does not mean failure. Every gut is different after all. Some guts are slow from years of habits. Consistency is required. Do not switch oils every night. Choose one and give it several days. Observe calmly. It is also important to know when to stop. If pain increases, if bloating worsens, or if stool becomes watery for days, stop immediately. This routine is meant to support the body, not stress it. When gut waste clears gradually, the body responds positively, sleep improves, morning energy improves, appetite stabilizes, and when appetite stabilizes, weight control becomes easier. This is the chain reaction people miss. Now let's put everything together into a simple and practical routine. This is not a one-night trick. This is a short system that supports the gut while the body rests. Start by choosing only one oil. Do not rotate oils daily. Consistency helps the gut adapt. For the first 2 nights, use the lowest dose, 1 teaspoon only. Take it after dinner. Dinner should be light. Avoid sugar, avoid fried food, avoid heavy meat. Sit upright for at least 20 minutes after taking the oil, then go to sleep. On the 3rd and 4th night, observe your body. If there is no cramping, no loose stool, and no burning sensation, you may continue the same dose or slightly increase. Never jump to large amounts. The goal is comfort, not force. In the morning, do not rush. Drink warm water. Walk for 5 to 10 minutes. This gentle movement signals the intestines to work. Eat a fiber-rich breakfast. This completes the cycle. From the 5th night onward, focus on what you remove, not what you add. Remove late-night snacks. Remove sugary drinks. Remove eating just before bed. These habits are the real cause of overnight heaviness. The oil simply helps the gut reset while you fix the pattern. Sleep becomes deeper, The stomach feels softer, morning bloating reduces. This is the sign that the routine is working. Many people ask how long this should be done. This is not meant for daily use forever. Use it for several nights. Then pause. Let the gut work naturally. If you depend on oils every night, the intestines can become lazy. The goal is to restore rhythm, not create reliance. Hydration matters more than people realize. Without enough water, oil cannot move waste properly. Drink water throughout the day, not all at night. Fiber also matters. Vegetables, fruits, cooked greens, these feed the gut. Oils help movement. Fiber builds structure. Together they work. Now let's talk about safety. If you feel sharp pain, stop. If you feel dizziness or weakness, stop. If stool becomes watery for more than one day, stop. This routine is not for pregnant individuals, not for people with severe gut disease, not for people with unexplained abdominal symptoms. Always listen to your body first. The biggest mistake people make is chasing extremes. They want instant results. They ignore warning signs. They push the body. Healing does not work that way. The gut responds best to calm support, regular timing, gentle tools, clean food, proper rest. When gut waste reduces, the body changes quietly. The waist feels smaller, the face looks less puffy, energy improves, cravings reduce. This creates momentum. With better digestion, fat loss becomes easier over time, not overnight, but steadily. Remember this clearly. Oils do not replace discipline. Oils support a system. The real change comes from what you eat, when you eat, and how you sleep. Use this routine wisely. Respect your body and focus on progress, not speed.